everybody. I'm at my cousin's house. I'm not at my house, but my cousin. But my cousin, on day 5, she got a she got a ruby chase, which she calls booby chase.
And guys, you know what? I got a chainsaw, and I have a giant axe, I have a strong flash, I have a spear, I have a
Slash katana.
a slash katana, yeah. I have a rifle. That's all I have.
And then she has a biofuel processor
That I'm about to put down.
She
And
placed
I'm
out.
gonna save me. And
Wait, I'm gonna show you her screen.
actually my screen. On day, it's actually day 5. It just says day 12 because
The multipliers. And then there's the stool over here, which is like
look at
3.
getting 2 trees at the same time.
Wait, let me show you.
Look, I'm getting 2 trees. I'm cutting 2 trees at the same time.
I'm not playing. She got a demon chest.
I got a ruby chest, which I call booby chest.
Yup.
Kaylee, what? Why didn't you save me? Because I don't have a bandage.
She must save you because you died too much.
Yes. Wow, I have 25 logs.
You mustn't let me go too long.
What are you doing?
Filming you.
Don't film my. No, it's.
I'm just filming your hands and what you're doing.
What if I die and then that will be so
Then I'm
embarrassing?
just gonna be like,
No, she's gonna. I'm gonna max it. Yeah! Miguel, I'm gonna come fetch you.
now that you max the campfire, she's happy, so she's gonna come fetch you.
Yeah, I'm gonna come fetch you. Guys, we got campfire on day 6, bruh.
Yeah, that's OP.
That's too OP. Giant sack, chainsaw, strong
Go
flashlight.
save, now go save the kids.
But the kids can wait. I'm going to save my brother first.
No, the kids first. He doesn't deserve to be saved.
I'm not gonna save him. I'm just gonna keep him. Ha! He's bunny.
His bunny's been sitting there for like 20 days.
What do you mean 20 days? Morning star! Morning star! Morning star, people now. Here's a chance. Nice. A mammoth. Should I?
No,
Should I
no,
kill
no,
it? Should I kill
no,
it?
no, 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 you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die.
What a rifle!
You can't kill something with a rifle. Rifles might be overpowered, but tactical shotguns are more overpowered.
Oh,